Assalamualaikum grade 6. I hope you will be fine. Yesterday we solved question number 9 to 13 plus MCQs of unit number 13. Today we are going to start our new unit. Unit number 15, mensuration volume. Okay students, there are key vocabulary: volume, length, breadth, height, cube, cuboid, face, edge, vertex, cone, slender, sphere, liter, centimeter, cubic, meter cubic, surface area. Now, dear students, the concept of volume is closely related to space. Volume is the space which a particular object occupies. Therefore, only three-dimensional 3D objects have volume. Each three-dimensional shape has a specific number of faces, vertices and edges. आपके पास जो भी 3 डायमेंशन स्पेस होगी उसकी एक ख़ास शक्ल, सूरत, कॉर्नर, वर्टिक्स होंगे, एजेस होंगे. ओके, first 3-dimensional object is cuboid. A cuboid is a 3-dimensional shape bounded by 6 rectangular plane surfaces. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. 3 pairs of faces out of 6 faces are equal in sides. 3 pairs of faces which are equal and parallel to each other. Last point is, from the 12 edges, 4 are equal in size and 8 others are equal in side. Look at this picture, dear students. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in the back side. Okay, 6 faces हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 और एक आपके पास यहाँ बैक साइड पे है. 8 इसके vertices हैं. Now how we can say that there are 12 edges? Look at here. Edges are a simple line segment which we will get the edge by joining the 2 vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 इसकी back side पे. In this way we will get 12 edges. Clear students? Now next is cube. A cube is a 3-dimensional object bounded by 6 equal square plane surfaces. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All 6 squares faces are equal in size. 3 pairs of faces are parallel to each other. All 12 edges are equal in size. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 in the back side. In this way we have 12 edges. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 is in the back. 8 vertices. Clear? This is a cube. Sphere. A sphere has no faces, vertices or edges. Every point on the surface of the sphere is at an equal distance from the center. Sphere की कोई भी शक्ल, vertex या edge, कोना नहीं होता. उसके हर पॉइंट का जो डिस्टेंस है सेंटर से इक्वल होता है. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सिलेंडर. व्हाट इज सिलेंडर? अ सिलेंडर हैज 3 faces, 2 circles and 1 rectangle, 2 circular edges and 0 vertices. Look at here, 1 and 2. These are 2 circles and this portion is 1 rectangle. In this way we will say that cylinder has 3 faces, 2 circular and 1 rectangular. Clear? Now next is cone. A cone has 2 faces, a flat circular face and a curved face, 1 vertex and 1 circular edge. Look at here, this is a cone. It has 2 faces, one is circular and second is curved face. It has 1 vertex and circular edges. These are the circular edges. Clear? Now next is volume. Volume is a measure of how much space a particular object or fluid occupies. Our body, for example, takes up a certain amount of space that can be expressed as its volume. This space cannot be occupied by anything else. वॉल्यूम किसी भी बॉडी की वो जगह है, वो पर्टिकुलर स्पेस है जो उस बॉडी के थ्रू कवर की जाती है. Unit of volume is meter cube. The standard unit of volume is 1 cubic meter, which is generally written as 1 meter cube. It is the space occupied by a cube of side 1 meter each. A smaller unit of volume is 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. It is the space occupied by a cube of side 1 centimeter each. Liquid volumes are generally expressed in liter. We know that if we want to convert meter or centimeter into liter, we will multiply by 1000 to convert centimeter into liter. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter. Is that clear, students? Next is volume of a cube. What is volume of a cube, dear students? A cube is a special cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal. This is a special type of three-dimensional figure which has length, breadth and heights are equal. To find the volume of cube, this is a formula: length multiplied by length multiplied by and length, because according to definition, length, breadth and height, these three things are same, are equal. So if we want to change into different units, so 1000 cubic millimeter is equals to 1 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. 1000 cubic centimeter is equals to 1 cubic decimeter or decimeter cube, which is equals to 1 liter. 1000 cubic decimeter is equals to 1 cubic meter or meter cube. Is that clear? Dear students, if we want to find the volume of a cuboid, how we will find it? A cuboid is a solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane faces. A book, a matchbox, brick, cupboard, suitcase and a fish aquarium are examples of cuboid. A cuboid has 8 corners or vertices: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the vertices. The vertices are labeled by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. According to this figure, there are 8 vertices, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are the name of these vertices. A cuboid has 12 edges. The line segment AB, BC, CD, DA, EF, FG, GH, HE, GC, DH, FB and AE, all the edges of cuboid. These are 12 edges. Now dear students, this is information for you. A vertex is formed by the intersection of 3 edges. If we will join 3 edges, we find vertex. And edge is formed by intersection of 2 planes. If we have 2 planes and these 2 planes are intersect to each other, then they become edge. And edge also connected 2 vertices, और एक edge आपके 2 vertices के साथ connect होता है 1 and 2. Okay. Now dear students, the edge in each group are equal and parallel. Thus, the 12 edges of a cuboid has only 3 different sizes. These are known as the dimension of the cuboid. The longest of these is called the length of the cuboid. Of the remaining 2, the horizontal one is known as the breadth or the width, and the vertical one is the height of the cuboid. To find out the volume of cuboid, formula is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now, dear students, there are many examples according to these formulas, but we are going to solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 1, 2 and 3 of exercise number 12 of exercise number 15. First question of exercise number 15 is: find the volume of each of the following cuboid. Length is equals to 12 cm, breadth is equals to 10 cm and height is equals to 8 cm. Solution of first part of question number 15 is: it is given that length 12 cm, breadth 10 cm and height 8 cm. We have already discussed formula of volume of cuboid is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So we know that volume is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now we will put the value 12 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8. After multiplying, we will get 960 centimeter cube. This is the volume of given cuboid. Now, second part of this question is length is equals to 4 meter, breadth is equals to 2.5 meter and height is equals to 1.5 meter. Solution is, we know that volume is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now, we will put the value 4 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 1.5. Now, dear students, if you want to multiply directly, you will multiply them. Otherwise, you will remove the decimal point and simplify them. We will write 4 as it is multiplied by 2.5. After removing the point, I will write here 1 and there are one value after point, so I will write here 10. Same 1.5, I will write it 15 over 10 after removing the decimal point. Now I will simplify this expression. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Same, we will simplify this. Now dear students, next is remaining values are 5 and 3. Now we will multiply 5 multiplied by 3. After multiplying, we will get 15 meter cube. This is the required volume. Now third part of this question is length is equals to 2 meter 50 centimeter, breadth is equals to 1 meter, height is equals to 75 centimeter. स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले आपने सब वैल्यूज़ को सेम यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. इट्स अप टू यू. यू विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर और इनटू सेंटीमीटर. आई विल कन्वर्ट दीज ऑल वैल्यूज इनटू सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल कन्वर्ट लेंथ 2 meter 50 centimeter into centimeter. I will write here length is equals to 2 meter 50 centimeters change into centimeter. We know that 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So we will multiply this meter by 100. 2 multiplied by 100 plus 50 centimeter. After multiplying 200 plus 50 we will get, and now we will add these two values. After adding we will get 250 centimeter. Now we will convert this breadth 1 meter into centimeter. So dear students, breadth is equals to 1 meter change into centimeter. I will multiply 1 by 100. 1 multiplied by 100, it is equals to 100 centimeter. Now we find volume. We know that length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is the formula to find the volume. So dear students, now we will put the value 250 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 75. After multiplying we will get 18,75,000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of this question. This is the solution of question number 1. Statement of question number 2 is a tin cane has dimensions 2 meter multiplied by 1.5 meter multiplied by 1 meter. How many liters of kerosene oil can it hold? The solution of this question is, in this question dimensions are given. Dimensions mean length, breadth and height. So dimension is 2 meter multiplied by 1.5 meter multiplied by 1 meter. Now dear students, we will multiply these values. 2 multiplied by 1.5, then we will multiply the answer of these multiplication, the product of these values by 1. We will get 3 meter cube. This is the required volume of this tin. After multiplication, simplification, we will get volume is equals to 3 meter cube. Now dear students, according to requirement of this question is how many liters of kerosene oil can it hold. So we will convert this meter cube into liters. To convert into liters, we will multiply by 1000. So 3 multiplied by 1000, which is equals to 3000. So result of this question is 3000 liters of kerosene oil can be held in it. This is the solution of question number 2. Now last question of this lecture is question number 3. Statement of question number 3 is a tank is 5 meter long, 3 meter wide and 1.5 meter high. How many cubic meters of water can it hold? So solution of question number 3 is, first of all we will write the data which is given in the question. Length is equals to 5 meter, breadth or width is equals to 3 meter, height is equals to 1.5 meter. We know that formula to find the volume is Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now we will put the value 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1.5. After simplification, we will get 45 over 2. Now dear students, we will divide, after dividing, we will get the answer 22.5 meter cube. This is the answer of question number 3. Now we will write the result of question number 3 and the result of this is it can hold 22.5 meter cube of water. Clear students? Now dear students, today we are solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise number 15 and introduction of unit number 15. I hope you will practice them by heart. Take